Jonas, you want to start it right there? Does he start at the 3 or the 4?
They can start wherever they want.
You want to start at the 4? Joe, back up. Start at the 4. There you go. Not yet. He'll tell you.
You got a rebound right here. Alright, watch Mike.
Go, Joe, shoot. Shoot a lot. Shoot, Joe. Shoot more. Keep going, Joe. Keep going, Joe. Shoot again, Joe. 20 seconds, Joe. Keep going. Keep going, Joe. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Shoot it, Joe. Shoot it.